another video. Today I'm going to show you all my spells in my spell book, and I'm gonna decorate my wand. And if you guys have chopsticks at home, that would work too. And this is a piece of wood, and it's like size of a wand, so I'm going to pretend it's my wand to cast my spells. So first, before we get started decorating our wand, I'm going to say a few things. If you guys like this video, please click that red subscribe button or the like button. If you're not going to click the subscribe button, just please pick the please click the like button. Okay, and if you guys don't know me out there, I'm Angelina. Alright, let's get started. So I'll read you, I have a cauldron here. I'll read you all my spells in my spell book. Okay? Alright, the last spell is a little funny, but the last one, okay? Okay, love spell. With a heart and with a smile, it will only last a while. Unless you go the extra mile, then all the love will surely pile. Oh, and if you guys want to know the potion to this, strawberry milk. Number 1, strawberry powder. Number 2, water. Number 3, milk. Number 4, ice cubes, which is the special ingredient. And make sure you have a glass cup. And make sure you have a glass cup, not a plastic cup, a glass cup. Very specific with this. Sleep spell. I'm a little boring and I feel like snoring. I can drink tea and it helps me feel sleepy. I lay down in bed so that I'll rest my head. Potion, chamomile tea. 1, hot water, which should be boiled. Hot water has to be boiled, okay? 2, tea bag. 3, honey. And 4, lemon, which is a special ingredient. Cooking spell. A dash of salt, a dash of pepper. It will taste so much better. Stir it in, mix it up, then you'll have the perfect cup. Potion, hard-boiled eggs. Number 1, you need the eggs. Number 2, you need the salt. And number 3, put in the pepper. Then the pepper is the special ingredient. Okay, this is hair spell, and it's the last spell I have. And then the rest I'm going to fill up like 2 years probably. It's going to take me about 2 years, I think. Not sure, but probably. Hair spell. Brush your hair with lots of care. Treat it right, morning and night. Keep it smooth, keep it shiny. Let it grow to your hiney. Okay. Alright, that's it for all my spells. I know it's not a lot of spells, but still, at least I got some spells in here. Right? Okay, now it's time to decorate our wand. So how this will work is I just have some of my smelly markers in the same container like we did for the 3-mark challenge on my first video. Go check that out if after this video if you have not watched it. Alright, so just place your wand down. Right? Don't touch. Well, you gotta touch the decorate, of course. But I just want my wand to be black, because I feel like it would be more realistic. So I have my black crayon, and I can, color it all in black, Sorry, oh no. You know what, I might need a paper towel. I will be right back, because you might need a paper towel too for this. I'm back. I couldn't find toilet paper, so I got... No, wait, I couldn't find paper towels, so I got toilet paper. So, like I said, you could do this with me. Just if you guys are watching, like maybe click the red subscribe button now. I'm sorry. If you guys can't subscribe. But if you can subscribe, maybe ask if you could still click the like button if you really like this video. If you're not allowed to. But if you're still not allowed to, I still know that you're a fan, even if I don't even know you. But I have like some friends, they probably watch my channel, right? So they would probably be able to subscribe. And if they didn't, they would just tell me that they like my videos, but they're not allowed to press anything. So I'd understand and I'd be like, oh yeah, that's all right. And it's okay if I don't, like, if you guys can't subscribe, because I get it. Like, sometimes I can't subscribe to other YouTube channels, okay? So I totally get it. So, okay? And, some people, one of my friends, I forgot who it was, and I'm not even going to say the name because just in case they're not comfortable with it. But I still forgot, so that's good. But they asked me a question. How did I get my YouTube channel? Well, funny story. We were playing, my whole family that lives in my house, not like my whole family, but like my whole family, we played Yahtzee, right? We played Yahtzee, and we my dad kind of said something. He said that if you roll this one Yahtzee, you can get a dog, right? So I rolled it, right? But I got a Yahtzee. He said no dog. But then I made him a deal. If I can't get a dog, could I get a YouTube channel? Then he was like, all right, but there's some rules. And then I was like, okay. But of course there is, because I'm just an 8-year-old. Oh, if that answers one of your questions, I'm 8. Gonna turn 9 this year. My birthday is May 14th. I'm not sure, but I might do a video on my birthday. So stay tuned for May 14th. But I'll still have a YouTube channel. And I'll still do more videos even before May 14th. So don't worry. And also, if this answers one of your questions, I have a brother and a sister. My sister's name is Gianna. She's a 1-year-old, and she's napping right now. And my brother is 6. He's in 1st grade, and his name is Vincent. He was in the first video, right? Sorry for all the yelling in the background. That's just my family yelling at the TV because they're playing a video game. I just love it. It is so calm. I don't know why. It's weird, I know. For those people who think it's not calm. I know, it's weird. I know. But I feel calm when that happens. I'm almost done. Halfway through. But more than halfway through. But yeah, you guys could even create your own spell book. I want to say it right now. Maybe I don't want you guys to copy my spell. Yeah, I'm okay if you copy, if you're like 4 or under. But for like 4 up, no, for 5 up, I want you guys to kind of try to do it on your own and try not to copy this, and maybe just do it with your family if you're having trouble, because I know that you guys could do it. But the little kids who really want to do a spell, and they get like, because they're little, they don't know, so that's okay. But it's okay if you copy me because you have a lot of trouble. But I just want you guys to at least try by yourself, because you guys, I know you have like amazing artwork. I like gotta tell you, even if I can't even see it, I know it's amazing artwork. All done. Dang it. Okay, I'm gonna have to let it dry. By the way, I said dang it. Okay, nothing bad. Can't say anything bad, and I never say anything bad, so it's still okay. This is my wand. There you go, my collagen, my wand here, and my spell book. The whole thing. Now I'm just gonna tell you really quick before the video ends. I got this collagen from yesterday. If you guys were there, it was the St. Patrick's Day parade. I was in it. If you guys saw me, click that red subscribe button or the like button. Guys saw me. And this wand, I just found it in the drawer, my drawer of utensils. Then this book, I got it from my book fair. I had a book fair, so yeah. But it was like in January, so yeah. And my mom helps me make the spells, but I really do most of the work, but she just like gives me some ideas. But she's the one who said to do let it grow to your height, because it is just. So I hope you guys liked this video. Please click that red subscribe button again, or the like button if you like this video. And I'll see you next time. Bye!